Villanueva threw a good uppercut. He threw a beautiful left hand, big overhand left, and unfortunately Yordan's right hand was down. He paid the price. He'd want to get off these ropes, boys.
Can you believe it? A shock knockdown in
Jab going. He doesn't want to sit and trade with this guy.
Oh,
He
body
just
blow
got-
there, Dan.
Yordan just got clipped again, boys.
both boys on top of us here at the Marina Bay Sands. Yordan gets on the bike and starts to circle anti-clockwise, and why wouldn't you? He'd love this round to be over. We go.
Dowd Yordan, Villanueva. Oh! Down goes Dowd Yordan with a beautiful
Yordan
shot.
goes down. The count is on. The count is up to 6.
Ya, mitra olahraga, pada 5 Mei 2012 di Singapura menjadi panggung bersejarah bagi dua juara dunia Indonesia, yaitu Daud Chino Yordan dan Chris John berada di satu ring yang sama, tetapi menghadapi lawan masing-masing dalam satu rangkaian malam pertandingan. Sebelum laga utama Chris John versus Shoji Kimura dari Jepang, penonton di Singapura terlebih dahulu disuguhkan pertarungan sengit Daud Chino Yordan versus Lorenzo Villanueva, petinju asal Filipina. Ya, pertarungan ini berlangsung untuk memperebutkan sabuk juara dunia kelas bulu versi IBO. Daud Yordan kala itu tampil penuh semangat, tetapi laga langsung menghadirkan kejutan sejak ronde pertama.
This is like a dream come true. I'm like a kid in a lolly shop right now. My idol's standing 4 meters from me.
In this monster fight, this is going to be an action-packed fight, guys.
Phil Austin in charge, in commentary Mark Warren, Danny Green.
Bel pertandingan berbunyi dan Villanueva langsung tampil agresif. Petinju kidal asal Filipina itu melepaskan serangan cepat dan mengejutkan Daud Yordan dengan hook kiri keras hingga Daud Yordan terjatuh.
The green machine, here we go. Set for 12 rounds of boxing for the IBO vacant featherweight title.
Nice uppercut there from Dowd Yordan. Villanueva's. Oh! Down goes Dowd Yordan with a beautiful
Yordan
shot.
goes down. The count is on. The count is up to 6, 7.
Namun Daud Yordan tidak kehilangan fokus. Setelah bangkit, ia mulai membaca pola serangan Villanueva dan perlahan mengambil kendali.
The hype was right. The power is there. One thing for sure, these judges won't be going to the cards.
I was just about to say I'm looking forward to see how Yordan handles this bloke's power and what this guy's power is really like, and we've just seen it.
He's the real deal, Danny. Or was Yordan a little bit complacent? When we were going to do the opener, I was going to say, how does he nullify it? He's a class act, but how does he nullify the power? Or is this one out of the box?
Mate, he threw Villanueva threw a good uppercut. He threw a beautiful left hand, big overhand left.
Menjelang akhir ronde, Daud mulai berani menekan dan melancarkan pukulan-pukulan balasan yang keras.
2 razy prawy lewy. Dużo przestrzelonych ciosów Villanueva. To go będzie sporo kosztować. W pierwszym knockdownie chce znokautować Indonezyjczyka, ten już doszedł do siebie. Teraz szczelnie blokuje uderzenia rywala, chociaż na moment opuścił prawą rękawicę i już spadł na jego głowę kolejny. Ale ten podarzucił od pierwszego gongu szalone Villanueva. Ostatnią walkę na Filipinach wygrał solidnym Diego Ledesmą. Na Filipinach znokautował go w 5. rundzie. Stawką był tytuł WBO Oriental w zawodowym boksie. Niektóre mają znaczenie tylko lokalne. Trzymajmy się tych 4 najważniejszych pasów WBC, WBO, IBF, WBO. IBS jednym z kolejnych.
Ronde kedua, ya, kebangkitan Daud Yordan. Memasuki ronde kedua ini, Daud tampil jauh lebih tenang dan agresif. Kombinasi pukulannya mulai masuk dengan telak ke pertahanan Villanueva. Petinju asal Filipina pun itu terjatuh untuk pertama kalinya.
Mura and Chris John await the main menu, the main meal, not too far away, wherever you're watching us around the world. From the Marina Bay Sands.
Oh, yes! Dowd Yordan answers back with a beautiful right hand.
One apiece, let's count the knockdowns.
Daud terus memberikan tekanan dan kembali melepaskan serangan pukulan keras, hingga Villanueva kembali terjatuh untuk kedua kalinya.
Angelo Hyder said this could be the fight of the year. Well, he wasn't talking hype. Power punches, class.
Oh!
2
He's not going to get up, boys. He is not going to get up.
Melihat Villanova sudah kesulitan untuk memberikan perlawanan, wasit akhirnya menghentikan pertandingan. Daud Yordan menang TKO ronde 2. Dari sempat dijatuhkan di ronde pertama, Daud bangkit dan justru mengakhiri pertarungan hanya dalam 2 ronde, sekaligus merebut gelar juara dunia kelas bulu IBO. Ya, setelah Daud meninggalkan ring sebagai pemenang, perhatian penonton kemudian tertuju kepada Chris John yang menghadapi Shoji Kimura dari Jepang dalam pertarungan 12 ronde untuk mempertahankan gelar WBA. Malam itu benar-benar menjadi panggung istimewa bagi tinju Indonesia. Daud tampil lebih dahulu dengan kemenangan dramatis, kemudian Chris John melanjutkan perjuangan di laga utama. 2 juara dunia Indonesia berada dalam satu panggung menghadapi lawan masing-masing. Inilah dia Chris John.
Okay guys, you've understood my instructions in the dressing rooms, correct? As I said, good clean fight, obey my commands at all times. Touch them up, come out banging at the bell. Good boys.
Chris John kala itu datang dengan misi mempertahankan sabuk juara dunia kelas bulu WBA. Sejak bel pertama berbunyi, Chris John tampil tenang dan percaya diri. Ia mengandalkan kecepatan, teknik, serta pengalaman untuk mengontrol jalannya pertandingan.
World champion Danny Green.
This is Vitaly Klitschko in Las Vegas, and you've been in some of my fights. It's not a big fight in the world, but the action we've seen tonight, the promotion, isn't it?
I thought it was
beautiful.
It's not hot.
There it is again. It's a punch they've been really working on.
It's a punch over the left shoulder onto the corner of the chin.
Oh!
And I tell you something, Mr. Kimura.
Chris is he's not going to stand in front of this Kimura guy. He's not moving as much as he normally does, Chris. He's confident, which is great to see.
I think that left.
Lovely body shot.
Great body shot, and then Kimura responds. Oh.
Shoji Kimura dari Jepang memberikan perlawanan sepanjang laga. Namun Chris John mampu menjaga konsisten hingga 12 ronde penuh. Ia terus mencetak poin dengan kombinasi pukulan dan pergerakan yang efektif, sekaligus memanfaatkan pengalamannya sebagai juara dunia.
They have not stopped throwing punches, wearing punches. They're hard.
From New Zealand to Australia, or vice versa. The cream and the spray, you're a big advocate in Australia of playing away. Despite a right hand that went within a whisker of Chris John, who makes him miss. Oh!
Shot, that was right in the bread box. That would have hurt. I don't know whether he's the best. Oh, lovely shot there by Kimura. Left uppercut and 2 left hooks. Beautiful punching by Kimura. And again, a right hand. He staggered Chris John. Chris John staggered.
Chris John is in trouble.
Malam 5 Mei 2012 pun menjadi malam istimewa bagi tinju Indonesia kala itu. Daud Yordan lebih dahulu mencuri perhatian dengan kemenangan KO ronde kedua, kemudian Chris John menutup malam dengan kemenangan angka setelah bertarung 12 ronde.
That's a credit to his heart.
After what we saw for the IBO, featherweight championship earlier, nothing would shock me. It was from his Japanese colleague and combatant. The clock winds down. Chris John will retain
in favor of the winner, and still the WBA featherweight super champion of the world, Chris the Dragon John.